Fashion Boy Robby here. Here's a long format video unboxing my Bottega Sardine bag. Some outfits I want to show you that how I would style this bag, and just you can see a little bit more of my styling and how I like to dress myself. So let's get started. This bag off TheRealReal, in very good condition, and originally what's sparked this purchase is that Bergdorf's had a listing of the midnight blue sardine bag with the chain, so the new medium size with the chain, for half off. I was browsing late at night, as I do online, and that's not good. One thing led to another, and I was like, oh, I see this listing, I should get it. It was half off the current MSRP price for new, like I think what, 5,200 new medium size. So I jumped at the listing, I bought it. Okay, I'm like, okay. And in the back of my mind, I thought it was a little too good to be true. I had some kind of inklings that I was like, okay, I don't think this is going to be real. And then the final straw was that, hey, this was your item was canceled because it wasn't in stock. I contacted customer service. They're like, yeah, sorry, unfortunately, this is no longer in stock and we can't send this to you. We can't fulfill the order. In the back of my mind, and what I'm still thinking is that the order, they knew they put a fake listing, or they screwed up on the listing on the website, so they canceled my order. That's my tinfoily hat situation. But in any case, let's go with the bag. So here is the sardine bag in the fondant color. Sorry, the lighting's not that great. Look at that beauty. This is the original, I think the original large size. I could be wrong. Is it the new medium? They changed their sizings recently, but this was the original sizing, medium or large, with the leather strap. The new ones, some of them have chains, some of them are just handle holders. So this was in very good condition, but I used it once. I looked at it. There's very minimal wear. Besides the handlebar, obviously there's the indentations on the sardine handle itself, which is to be the case because that's how it's designed, but are some scratches. Let me see here where you could tell. There's some scratches here. Very hard to focus, but very minimal scratching, and I didn't mind. And I guess maybe that's what made this a very good condition versus excellent. In any case, I think I scored big time. This looks brand new. The leather is nice and soft. Obviously, with the sardine bag, you have just the magnetic closure right here with the Bottega Veneta made in Italy tag right here. Magnetic closure, very simple. And then, here's the other side, and then it closes like this. Creates a nice little pouch. And then also in this original size, it comes with a pouch inside that is attached by a leather holder. So it's a nice little leather catch-all, little wallet. Currently I have my pocket organizer Louis Vuitton in here. It's an absolutely beautiful bag. I have been wanting this bag since it came out in 2023 from Matthew Blasy's either spring or winter collection. I forget which one. And it's just absolutely beautiful in this chocolate fondant color, which kind of reads as black sometimes depending on the lighting. You could tell here. You can see how it depends on how the light's hitting it. But absolutely beautiful. I might want to add another one to my collection. I know I said I wanted a fun colorway, or the one, or a canvas one. I still might want that, but more so the angelfish version with the leather strap that is kind of going up on here on the handle. Kind of looks like an angelfish, and then kind of the fins come off from the bottom of the bag. That bag is way more expensive. That bag is around 10,000. On the secondhand market, I saw it go for maybe 7 or 8. I don't know if I'm willing to pay secondhand pricing for that. It depends. If I find a good one, and if I want that bag, I'll add it to the list. It just this is satisfies my craving for this bag. This bag really goes with my pajama set from Rubirosa. I bought this in Paris when I was there. For a casual outfit going run errands. But let me show you a couple outfits that I would wear this with. Some being casual, out and about in the city, or a little bit more formal. Here's the first outfit, starting off with kind of a vacation outfit. Got from the top, you got my Tom Ford sunglasses. You got my Rubirosa pajama set I bought in Paris, brown and yellow piping. You see, I like to wear a lot of warm colors with this bag. The chocolate brown and the gold really do help with that. You got my pants. You got my Marni shoes. Little Lukey in the background too. Here's the first outfit. Let's slide this on. So you could wear this like as a shoulder bag, shoulder carry. Great for little vacation vibe, in my opinion. What do you guys think? First outfit. Here's the second outfit, a little bit more casual, not resorty, but just running errands. Got my bag here, just a t-shirt, some jeans, and then some fun sneakers. And Lukey. Hi, buddy. My Valentino Kicky sneakers, Bottega, Tom Ford jeans, and then a t-shirt I bought in Hawaii at a skate shop or surf shop. Casual. There we go. It's the third outfit, a little bit more dressed up than my casual t-shirt. I just threw over my robe that I bought in Japan. Here's with the sardine bag, still with the same jeans and the Kicky Valentino sneakers. I actually added a hook and eye to this Japanese robe that I bought in Japan. Obviously, I just added a hook and eye closure, and it makes it a little bit more elevated. I like it. What do you guys think? Here's my final outfit for a night out. My Tom Ford silk leopard print shirt in blue and brown. See the little bit of the tonal colors. Sardine bag. Some Zanella dress pants. And then my Prada loafers. And that's the final fit. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video showcasing my Bottega Veneta Sardine bag. Hope you like the outfits. Let me know what you think down below. And if you could do me a favor, if you could like this video and subscribe. I'm trying to, make more videos for you guys and, show you how I like to style my clothes. In any case, it's Fashion Boy Robby, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.